I'm seeing my first monkey. He looks like a little human that's very good at climbing. I hope I can show you. See, he's up on that tree. He's really high up there. There he is. Oh my God. He's climbing the tree. He looks like Peter Pan, but he's Monkey Man. Look at him going. Amazing. Look how good he is at that shit. I hope he doesn't feel threatened by me. I mean, I am pretty close. He's amazing. He's so good at climbing. There's one right over me too. Right over me. Look at these guys. Isn't that amazing? Oh, there are a few over me. I'm in the middle of a family of them. Awesome. Look at the guy. Monkeys all around me. Yeah, they are on tour in the canopy. Look at him going. He's literally using his tail. Just hanging on.